Practice English listening. Baking cookies with Grandma. It's a chilly Saturday afternoon, and Lily is excited. Today, she is going to her grandma's house to bake cookies. Lily loves spending time with her grandma because they always have so much fun together. She quickly puts on her favorite red sweater and warm scarf, then grabs her coat and heads out the door. When Lily arrives at her grandma's house, she can smell the sweet scent of vanilla and chocolate even before she walks in. "Hi, Grandma," Lily says as she opens the door. "Hello, Lily," Grandma replies with a big smile. "Are you ready to bake some cookies?" "Yes, I can't wait," Lily says, hugging her grandma. They go into the kitchen, and Lily sees all the ingredients laid out on the counter. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. "What kind of cookies are we making today, Grandma?" Lily asks. "We're making chocolate chip cookies," Grandma says. "They're your favorite, aren't they?" "Yes, they are," Lily says happily. Grandma washes her hands and puts on an apron. She gives one to Lily, too. "First, we need to mix the butter and sugar together," Grandma says. Lily watches as Grandma uses a big wooden spoon to stir the butter and sugar in a large bowl. "Can I stir, too?" Lily asks. "Of course, dear," Grandma says, handing Lily the spoon. Lily stirs the mixture carefully, and soon it becomes creamy and smooth. "Now we add the eggs and vanilla," Grandma says, cracking 2 eggs into the bowl and pouring in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lily stirs again, mixing everything together. The kitchen smells so good. Next, Grandma measures the flour. "We need 2 cups of flour," she says. She lets Lily pour the flour into the bowl. Then they add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. "Now we mix it all together," Grandma says. Lily stirs the dough until it is thick and sticky. "The best part is coming up," Grandma says with a wink. She opens a bag of chocolate chips and pours them into the bowl. "Yay! Chocolate chips!" Lily cheers. She mixes the chocolate chips into the dough, and now it looks perfect. "Okay, it's time to put the cookies on the baking sheet," Grandma says. She shows Lily how to use a spoon to scoop the dough and drop it onto the sheet. "Make sure to leave some space between each cookie so they don't stick together," Grandma advises. Lily carefully places each scoop of dough onto the baking sheet. "This is so much fun," she says, smiling. Once the baking sheet is full, Grandma puts it into the oven. "We need to bake the cookies for about 10 minutes, she says. Lily sets the timer, and they sit down at the kitchen table to wait. While they wait, Grandma and Lily talk about all kinds of things. They talk about Lily's school, her friends, and her favorite books. Grandma tells stories about when she was young, and Lily loves listening to them. Soon, the timer goes off. "The cookies are ready," Lily exclaims. Grandma carefully takes the baking sheet out of the oven, and the smell of fresh, warm cookies fills the kitchen. "They look delicious," Lily says, her eyes wide with excitement. "We need to let them cool for a few minutes," Grandma says. "But then we can have a taste." Lily waits patiently, and after a few minutes, Grandma hands her a cookie, still warm and gooey with melted chocolate chips. Lily takes a bite, and her face lights up. "These are the best cookies ever," she says. Grandma smiles and takes a bite of her own cookie. "I'm glad you like them, Lily. Baking with you is always so much fun," she says. Lily nods. "I love baking with you, Grandma. We make the best team." They spend the rest of the afternoon baking more cookies, laughing and telling stories. By the end of the day, The kitchen is filled with plates of delicious chocolate chip cookies and the warm, happy memories of another fun day spent together.